and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have the most prettiest finger coil curly wig unit, you guys. This one is sent from ISEE Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. They sent it over in their Burmese curly in 26 inches, and of course it is in a 250% density, you guys. So you all know that I really do love the full density wig units. I feel like these days I'm not really sent them a lot anymore, but I always appreciate a really good full density wig unit because it does make a difference. So as you guys could see with this wig unit, because I actually have a lot of things I have to say about this wig, so I'm going to try to make it quick. This wig unit is prepped very well, especially straight out of the box. As you guys could see, the ends, the finger coils, they're so they're just so luscious. Like, they just look like Shirley Temple curls. Also, the hairline is beautiful, you guys. It's bleached very nicely. Nothing is over bleached, and I like that the hairline is like plucked. I like how the hairline is plugged. It's not overly plugged, but it just looks really natural. Okay, it's just they did their thing with this wig. Also, the parting space, it actually goes far back, you guys. Again, this is a 9x6 lace closure, so you're definitely able to mimic a frontal, which I absolutely love because I'm more of a frontals girl. So I love that I can definitely get away with this wig being a frontal. And also the bleaching job was just really nice on this wig unit. They just did a really good job with prepping it. Like, it just looks really good. Like, you really don't have to do that much when it comes to putting this wig on. Now, as you guys know, I have reviewed these styled wigs on my YouTube channel, maybe ever since like last year. But I feel like this one is the best one that I've ever received, period. Like, it's very soft. I feel like ISEE does a really good job with their wig units, in my opinion. I don't know if this one seems to be a very good quality, high quality, because of the Burmese texture. I'm not sure if it's like their M-cap construction. I don't know, but this hair is very beautiful, you guys. It's luscious. Also, this company did not require me to go in and recurl the finger coils, you know, because I just feel like that's unnecessary. I feel like their finger coils are the best that I have ever received. You can also just pull them out, which you guys would see that I did with this in this wig tutorial. I don't know, it's just so curly and so fluffy. Also, I didn't even have to go in with any water, you guys, to like activate the curls. Like, I feel like straight out of the box, the curls are just really good, in my opinion. I don't know, I just feel like they did this wig the best, because I reviewed from a few companies with this same finger coil style, and this one just hits better. I also don't know if it's because of the density. I don't know. I think it's the density and the curl pattern. This one, once again, is in a Burmese curly, and it's very beautiful, you guys. So you definitely want to get your hands on this. I think ISEE has really good wig units, especially the ones that I review when I can come across their wigs. Beautiful, you guys. The lace, the pre-plucking, it just looks really, really natural. Like, this is a glueless wig install, you guys, and beautiful. I also was talking in this hair video because somebody was watching me while I was doing my hair, and they were like in love. Like, they were like, I know you did the chocolate brown, whatever, but this all black Burmese curly is just like it. And I was like, yeah, this one is it. You guys definitely have to get your hands on it. I absolutely love it. I have nothing bad to say about it at all, and it fits very good on my head. So if you guys are looking for something for the spring, summer, vacation months, anything like that, definitely get into this wig unit, you guys, because it's beautiful. Have nothing bad to say, and that's pretty much all I have to say. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.